So blurry. Oh my god, it looks so crusty, rusty. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing a new intake on the 40. So, unboxing. This is how the HKS looks like. I just put it on together. That's the filter and then the pipe. But let me show you guys here. Having a little problem because it's gone now, but then I'll show you guys when it's back. But the tubing here, so basically you're supposed to connect this here, right? And then there is, I'll set you guys down, there is a tubing here that connects to the engine, but we're trying to find a way to retrofit it, but it doesn't want. Here's the map, put the map in the intake right there. I also deattached, oh you guys can even see it. I also took out the sensor, put it back on. And this is supposed to go on like here. See where I'm coming from? The picture? Here, and then there's a tubing that connects from here to the engine. Okay, so in the meantime, while we're fixing the intake issue, I've just sprayed aircraft stripper on these two wipers. Aircraft paint remover. What? Yeah. Removedor de pintura. Paint remover. I've just sprayed it. It's been sitting now for like 30 minutes, and then yeah, I'm gonna go use this scraper here, the same scraper that we were using to do the overspray, and then yeah, scrape these sucker off, and then we're gonna spray it and make it look new. Oh yeah, and when dealing with this chemical, it even says in the back of the container, don't inhale it, do not touch it. We are now at the spraying portion of this project. I'm going to be using this, what's this, Duplicolor trim and bumper paint. Shake it, spray it, let it sit, and we're done. Alright guys, it is now the next day, so I don't know if I already mentioned, I don't know if I really talked about it clear enough, our problem was, but we went to Napa and we picked up pipes because, as I said, it didn't want to fit. But okay, so here's our other dilemma. So this was the stock pipe that it came with, right here. And we went to Napa and we bought the same size, but we got it in a 3-foot long, right? But now it fits onto the engine, but now it doesn't fit onto the intake. We had to go back to Napa and then buy a bigger size, also 3 feet. I'm trying to show you guys. Okay, while we were there, you know how I was talking about how I was working on the window wipers? Bought new window wipers. So I'm gonna be installing that later on. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect this bad boy onto here. See how I got the clamp and the rubber ring already? And then the end of this tube, this pipe right here, will connect here. And then I'm going to put a lock, bam, secure it. Then we'll put this filter head on the other side, put another clamp. See how we have one clamp there? Put another clamp on the outside. And then we should be done. Look, and it's like, there you go. Secured. Clamp, where's the clamp? I'm gonna have to make the clamp face like this, just so it's easier for me later on to screw it. Bam. Where's the... Tighten it with my mini tool. Alright guys, another dilemma. Trying to figure out. So the intake in the box came with these brackets, and we're trying to figure out right now how are we gonna set up these brackets so that my intake doesn't just lay right here and dangle off. So apparently this will go under that clamp, and then the clamp will go around here. This one right here. So it will go, we're gonna have to unscrew this, put this inside. There's two actually, so we have to put two of these inside and then clamp it back. So yeah.
It'll be here.
We have an option here, option 1. We also have another option of trying to fit in one of these holes here. So after a long time of trying to fit these brackets everywhere, we finally just decided to put them here. And then once we screw these on, we're gonna tighten everything else. Then we're gonna cut this tubing, this piping, because we just need it to end right here. Cut it, tighten everything else, and then we should be good to go. Right here.
Yeah, we're gonna make it so it doesn't touch. We're gonna make it so it stays on top.
Okay, we're back. Attached it already, attached the clamp. Just gonna tighten these now. Where? Okay, this is tightened for sure. I think we loosened this one up. Yep. Whoops, that wasn't me. Do you hear that sniffing? That's Peanut. She's looking for the ball and I put it here. Because she keeps throwing it. She keeps trying to throw it inside my freaking... Bae, like, what are you doing? Oh yeah. Sorry. I'm not even focusing on what I'm doing. Okay. That looks alright. Alright, so Stefan just cut the hose. We didn't have a proper one, so we had to use this blade. But it worked. Hey, got the job done. Now we're just gonna clamp it, and she is ready. It's ready. Wow, where was this tool like how many hours ago, minutes ago? Where's the small screw? The screwdriver.
So small.
This is what we were using, dude. These two tools to install this intake.
That's tight.
See? Doesn't take much to install an intake. She's done. Oh, and then for the excess of this, we were thinking that, I don't know, we're gonna go make something to kind of like put here so that it doesn't, this doesn't touch this frame. You know, she just wants to play. And there you have it, guys, whatever that is. That's totally gonna come out when I'm driving. I already know it. Since the idling was bad, we were thinking it's the MAF sensor. I sprayed this QD electronic cleaner. Gave the little spray in here as well as over there. And then you let it dry, kind of let it dry for like a couple minutes. Now I'm gonna put them back together. So connect this to here. Ah! Okay. Bam. Make sure it's tight. What's up, guys? It's kind of rainy right now, but we're gonna finally install these. Let me show you guys. Window wipers. Okay. So I'm gonna pop the hood up and then we could tackle the wiper. Okay, so as you can see here, there is one bolt there and then another bolt there. Unscrew them and then these should pop up, pop right off. Installed them off camera, so yeah, I was just showing you guys how to remove them. So now we're gonna set up the window wipers. I've also sprayed like it's like a frosted top coat, whatever, just to make it look glittery. So I just started the car and idling seems to be good. It's at maybe like 1500 roughly. All right, so update on the idle issue. The car right now is idling at around 13 to 1500, and then when it reaches around 3000, that's when the car kind of dies out already. And so we came to the conclusion that we need to change the fuel pump, and so future video, I've already placed an order for a new fuel pump, so it should be coming in the next couple of days or maybe next week, so stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna close out today's video. If you made it this far into this video, give this video a thumbs up because you're awesome. Follow me on all my social media. Everything's gonna be in the description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of me and my 40. Until then, my name is Maria and I'm signing out.